Being first-time homeowners, they were extremely overwhelmed. We kind of took it step by step and really explained the hand-holding process. They needed somebody to do it for them.
After meeting with other contractors and just not feeling confident, the only word that I had is relief. We can trust someone to take on this project and let us live our day-to-day lives.
We are really busy. We're both doctors, and we really wanted a team that could handle the design process, picking things out, and then also handle the build so we could have one-stop shop of who we could talk to. It was really easy to do this project with our really busy jobs, and that's one of the biggest reasons that we decided on Cipriani.
When you're dealing with such a large project, you have to figure out where all the funds are going to go.
We walked in and we looked at their existing wood floors and said, there's nothing wrong with these. So we got them to understand what sanding and refinishing would do to those floors and the cost savings at doing that versus reinstalling all new wood floors. At the end of the project, we said, can you believe these are the same wood floors? And that's one of the best decisions we made, was listening and us suggesting that option.
We can't believe it's the same. The function of it, it just feels like a brand new house.
It was an incredible experience, and if we have future projects, we would definitely use them again. The organization, the style, and also the team itself. Everyone has been lovely to work with. I just don't think you could really find that anywhere else, and so it was 10 out of 10 experience.